problem. From time to time, ay veterinarian kami. Tsaka I don't know what to do.
We are walking to Kipsat, where we're gonna watch some turtles hatch. So they're setting up for the hatchlings. There's Carlo over there. I guess whatever is happening. They're preparing a little turtle ball to release the turtles. Because the turtles need a certain amount of walkway to repeat so they remember where they come back to. While we're waiting for them to take their beach walk, I wanted to show you the panorama area. They're about to release the turtles to the beach. This is all done by Forma, C-U-R-M-A. Turtles are in the box. The person in charge of doing this organization is Carlos over there.
So this particular sea turtle is called the olive ridley. You know, they are one of the smallest of the sea turtles when they're adults, and they get their name for their olive color shell when they're adults. So sea turtles, they're the ones who eat the jellyfish in the ocean. So without the jellyfish, without the sea turtles, this place will get overrun by jellyfish. So one thing about sea turtles eating jellyfish is that plastic in the water look like jellyfish. So many times they ingest this and they can't get it out of their bodies.
No littering, people.
So right now actually we have
plastic.
a mother turtle, same type, under rehab in our location here in San Juan. So the other day, she pooped a lot of plastic and she didn't eat for 2 weeks. Yesterday was the first day she ate. So our main takeaway is just be mindful of where we throw our trash. So these turtles, they're designed for the water. They're very good in the ocean. The hardest part for them is actually this part of the land.
What is our national leaf? This one. Anahaw.
National tree, nada. And this
So
one.
it should be, everybody should know it.
Yeah.
School kids, when you
This
ask them,
one.
okay, what's the national tree? You're taught in grade 2. I show them, this is how it looks.
This one here.
Yeah, this palm.
It's like a palm.
Yeah.
That's our, because this is a watershed, so I had to put watershed species of tree just to get the water back. Because every tree has a. The design of the house, you bring the outside in,
Yeah.
and it's minimalistic, simple but easy to maintain. You bring the beauty of the outside. Only about 2 months old. After 2 more months, we'll harvest.
And this one's tapilan.
Tapilan. Or in Ilocano, it's Sinai.
Sinai. Okay.
You see how much it attracts
Yeah.
Yes. Look at all those
insects.
butterflies.
That's like,
Yeah.
for me, it's something like, okay, good.
Yeah.
You're bringing back the nourishment.
I love it.
Seeds, we're going to intercrop it now. Because this one fixes nitrogen. The root of the tapilan, if the vine is about 1 meter long, the tapilan would be 1 meter deep, the root. So the organisms thrive.
Yeah.
So you don't need chemicals.
Beautiful. Kalunai, the native spinach.
Okay. This
Oh.
one or this one?
This one. What's this one?
Yeah, that's
That's what I just ate. What is
that's
that
the
one?
coriander. The other one is this. It's not spicy at all. This is the native arugula version. I just grow it.
That's
Raw. This one, even you cook it 4 times
it's
and
not
change the
going
water.
to.
It's so bitter. The cyanide content is too high,
Huh.
and that's why the lichens don't want to even go there.
Okay.
And beauty about it is, you won't have termite issue. You won't have weevils. You won't have anything. That's why it's perfect to make flooring.
Oh,
And it's hard as wood.
yeah.
Iron bamboo.
That's why they call it aguada.